Welcome back to the Sound for More channel, and welcome back to another demonstration and tutorial. Today I have the pleasure to introduce you to Waltz from Klevgrand, a fantastic new hybrid reverb and therefore effects. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Additionally, if you would like to support what I do, please do check the instruction contained in each video description. Thank you again. So you might be thinking, well, another reverb. But as always, each product brings new characteristics and new options that you couldn't have before. Available for mobile devices like the iPad, as you can see here on the screen, but also available for desktop in other formats like AU, for example, an audio unit, and etc. Really simple to use, very straightforward, low consumption in terms of DSP. Here we are inside AUM, and I do have lots on. I have different channels. I have June from AUv3, Paper, and also DG Stick gone into a mix bus A and therefore into walls. And it comes with a lot of AU parameters which you can control. So in terms of controlling from other sources, so that it is great. It has a different acoustic algorithm like this one, the spring for more plucking sound, plate for more vocals, whole, really big whole reverb effect, cosmic as well, more spatial effect, hex, which is more of a hybrid, binary, which is a low fidelity, more like vintage type of a different model. So you can choose them here, moving up and down. And when you play sound, you can see some animation here on the strings. In the middle here, you can change the decay, click and hold and drag. You can change the size here. You can add a pre-delay, which is always useful in a reverb, or not. And here you can change, as I mentioned, the different model. So this one is quite good, spring, for this type of pluck effect, which sounds by the way like so. Okay, and it comes from June. Okay, from AUv3, something I programmed in. Let's change to plate. Magic. Whole. Cosmic. Hybrid. Hey, you can hear some of the modulation here. And binary, of course, more vintage. Okay, so going back to the spring one. Here you can adjust filter, a low pass filter, high pass filter. And so you can cut, or you have the different shelf options as well. Which of course will change how it will respond. And of course here you can change for shelves. Here you can adjust the stereo width, click and hold, and then you can drag it. Here you can adjust the dampiness and therefore make it less or more bright. Diffusion as well, level. You can see it's changing graphically. Then you have modulation here. You can move up to change the depth and then left or right to change the rate. Here you can have early or late reflection is a mixer. wet and dry. So you can have your mix and you can also lock it. You have different presets here. Click here. You have categories like the one which comes by default, and also a user one as well, in case you would like to use any of those. Okay, so lots of different options. Now let's remove that and let's change the type of preset. Let's go for the space part. Okay, let's test it before walls. Okay, let's add walls in. Let's give it a cosmic. Let's go for a plate effect, ambient. Just want for you to hear the difference. Let's go for a cathedral. Really interesting. Let's go for something with modulation. Acoustic chorus, which has a binary type of algorithm used. Here you hear a lot of modulation, of course. This is more of a drunk vibrato. You can see the rate is quite high, but the depth is low. Okay, let's change type of preset. Let's go for this plastic bass, and we go lower in octave. It sounds like so. Let's try something esoteric like ghost choir. Let's go for spring, something like a mute spring. Okay, let's change. Let's mute June and let's activate people. Let's go probably for, yeah, something with springs. Why not? Sounds really good with a spring type of algorithm used. Let's go for digistick. Without reverb, with reverb. I really like that you have the possibility to see the animation here. It's really, really good. So yeah, it sounds really nice, really straightforward. I hope you enjoyed the short demonstration and tutorial. To be honest, it doesn't need a tutorial. It's simple to use. And as always, see you next time. Bye.